What's up, adventurers? Today we're going to be checking out some new luggage, and I'm excited to show you what we have. This is the Bellroy Transit Carry-On. Now, typically we only travel with the carry-on, but we have an upcoming trip to Japan, and I think we're going to be checking a bag so that we can bring more stuff back. So today, we're going to be checking out the new Transit Check-In. So pretty. For the past 13 years, we've been traveling, and during the travel blog, we've always used a carry-on bag. But for the upcoming trip, we needed something bigger, and Bellroy just launched a couple new check-in bags. This one has a 60-liter capacity, and they also have a 90-liter capacity one. But one of the coolest things that they launched with their luggage is a repair program. There are a lot of luggage companies that offer repairs and everything, but it's usually a pretty cumbersome process. You have to send your luggage in, or you have to go find a repair shop. But what they've done is they've built their luggage so that components are easily removable, and they send fix-it kits so that you can do it at home. So some of the most common points where luggage fails first are the wheels, the handles, and the locks. So with the repair program, they send you a kit so that you can do it at home by yourself. It usually takes about 10 minutes to fix any of those components, and you're ready to go again. Plus, they have a 10-year warranty on all their luggage. It's been a while since I've owned check-in luggage, and you have to consider a few other things for check-in that you don't have to for carry-on. It's got to be a little more durable, it's going to be dragged all over the place, thrown by the handlers. Also, it's going to be holding a lot more, so you want good organization, you want it to be lightweight, and it's coming out on a luggage carousel, so you want it to stand out so it's easy for you to find. It comes in 6 colorways. I picked this one just because it stood out to me, and I feel like it'll be really easy to spot. Designed with a matte polycarbonate shell, Hinomoto wheels, so it's super smooth. And they designed their own handle so that it's not only durable, but it's easy to fix. For their check-in bag versus their carry-on, they really upped the durability of it. They made it a little more heavy-duty. The handles can handle more weight. They understand it's going to go through more beating than a carry-on would. So first off, the wheels. Hinomoto wheels, super smooth, as you can see as it glides across here. There is a handle on the top as well as the side. They're woven handles that are really soft and pull out. There's also a TSA lock built in. And the handle is nice and ergonomic with 1, 2 stops. The handles for the check-in bag go through rigorous testing. It goes through 10,000 cycles of 30-kilogram jerks. The bag weighs just over 8.5 pounds, so you don't have to worry about wasting too much of your weight just on the luggage alone. Let's open it up to see what's inside. The interior is simple, but has some features to help you keep organized. On the top half, there is a fully zippered off section to keep everything intact when you pack it in here so that when you open it, nothing's spilling out. On the inside of the flap, what looks like just a regular Bellroy tag, there's also an air tag slip that you could put in there so it's nice and discreet. And I love that they added this mesh zippered pocket in the front that is actually split into 2 separate sections, here and here, so that you can organize some of your items. On the flip side, there's a pouch that is on this flap that's attached to the bag. It has 1 large mesh zippered pocket. So it's kind of like a packing cube already built in here. But what's nice is it packs really flat so that if you're not using it, it's not really going to be in the way. And you can put it either under your stuff or over your stuff. On the bottom half, they have compression straps here. Bellroy uses these really satisfying magnet clasps. Oh, that's nice. So it's really easy to engage, but holds secure. What I like about these compression straps is not just straps alone. On the wings, there are 2 zippered pockets. This one is broken up into 2 sections. This one is 1 large section. But what I love about this is it also gives more surface area for the compression itself. So normally there's just 2 straps going across and it's kind of squishing everything here, but things may still stick out. But this way you have these like flat panels on the top that keep things compressed. I'm really excited to use this for our trip to Japan, and I'll be sure to let you know if there are any other pros and cons that I may have missed. Let me know if you have any questions about the luggage, and I've also included a link below so that you can check out more of the specs and all the different colorways that they have. Thanks and happy adventuring. And for any of you who are in tighter spaces and you want to make sure that you can save space, the carry-on can nest right inside the check-in. Ta-da!